Nimish Agarwal, and in this video, I will pitch FracNL project for Polkadot Europe Hackathon submission. So let's start. FracNL is a DeFi NFT lending platform where borrowers can lock some fractional of their NFTs as collateral, and multiple users can collectively participate as lenders against any given listing. So what's special about FracNL? The borrowers doesn't lose complete ownership of their collateral on partial repayment. They get back portion of their locked shares back based on the amount of principal returned. Multiple lenders can jointly lend in a single listing with their own expected returns. Based on users' credit score, they need to submit some security tokens during listing. It is used as platform fees and as a secondary collateral to cover lenders in case of a default. So our project widens the scope of DeFi with the introduction of fractional NFT lending with unique features like one-to-many relation between borrower and lenders and collateral protection for borrowers. The platform can be extended to allow lenders to access or rent the locked collateral during loan period and benefit from the given NFT's utility, say equable game items. We have used Ink V4 to write our smart contracts, which utilizes both NFT and DeFi spaces. It also makes use of advanced features like low-level cross-contract calls. Therefore, we believe that our project will act as a great source of reference for others. Our fractional NFT lending platform has introduced never seen before features like I mentioned in the earlier slides. We have used Ink, Polkadot JS library, React, and Material UI to build our project. So now my colleague Sainka will present a short demo on what we have built.
Let me just quickly connect my wallet. Now this is the landing page of our application and this is the listing section. One can take a look at all the listings here. There are a few open, closed, and a few active listings. Going to our mint page, one can upload any image and mint their NFTs. This image would be uploaded to IPFS. As you can see, the content ID is here. Now, moving to the fractionalize page, one can select any token and fractionalize it. In the defractionalize section, one can defractionalize the fractionalized NFT which they own 100%. For example, if I owned only 20%, I would get an insufficient balance error. Now, for creating a listing, one needs to come to this page. Here, one can select any token ID and they need to fractionalize the NFT first and fill in these details and create it. Now, if the token is already fractionalized, they can skip a few steps. Moving to the profile page. Here are a few statistics about this user, the listings created by them, and the NFTs this user owns. Now, let's take a look at a listing. As you can see, this is the listing page. All the details of the listings are here, and one can put their offer here. And I have already made an offer from this account, which is of 200 T0, and the interest is 100 T0. Here, all the offers for this listing are here. So this one is withdrawn, a few are rejected and accepted, and this one is pending. Moving to the borrower's account which created this listing, this is the this is the look from the borrower's account. They can accept or reject the offer here. Now let me just accept this offer. The transaction is submitted and it's showing that it's been accepted. Now let me just create and the transaction finalized message also arrived. Now let me just start the loan. The transaction was submitted. The loan would be starting soon, and here you can see that we have received the transaction finalized mess pop-up, and now here the closed loan section has also arrived. So the borrower can put in the amount he wants to repay and repay the loan.